So in civil and environmental engineering, one of the most important courses we offer is senior design. Again, that's a 2-semester long capstone course where students work as a small group, 6 to 10 people, with a faculty advisor. So in order to support that, we have our senior design lab where all kinds of various projects are going on. So there's actually one going on right now, so we're just going to go ahead and interrupt on them. So, how's it going, guys? So, this is our senior design space. This is a shared space for various uses. They're about to work. They didn't know that they were going to be on camera, but here they are. So we'll do all of our civil advised senior design projects in this lab. So there's the various tools, power tools, anything that they might need for their senior design projects, because we do expect them to be building, we expect them to be testing, we expect them to be breaking, hopefully breaking the right things, in order to better understand how their senior design project works. So this particular group is our ACME group, which is doing concrete 3D printing. So we have all kinds of constantly changing senior design projects over the years.